So last week we learned about straight line and the formula that related to our straight line chapter, such as finding gradient between 2 points or using just intercepts, and the way of writing the equation of straight line three ways. And to find the intersection of the two straight line, we need to do simultaneous equation, and also must know that if two lines are parallel, they must have same gradient. Okay, so now we settle question 1, we go to question number 2. Okay, this is an application question. Okay, they never draw like a graph question, so we need to read the question and understand. Okay, diagram 2 show a plan of a a roof of a rabbit coop. Okay, Mr. Azri want to replace the old beam, that is AB, this one is the AB, with the new one. Okay, so AB is, I think it is a straight line. Calculate the length of the new beam. Okay, why there is a two part of the question? Quite confusing. Okay, come. It is given that the equation of the rake of the roof, okay, AC is y equal to 2 over 3x plus 12. Find the length in cm of the beam AB. Okay, this question, this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, so this AC, okay, let me use another color. This AC, okay, it have an equation. The equation was y equal to 2 over 3x plus 12. And we want to know the length of the AB. Okay, so we don't have any other information on this question. So how we deal with this question? Okay, we need to find the length of AB. All right, okay, let's draw this question first, okay, so that we can see clearly. Y equal to 2 over 3x plus 12. Okay, this is a straight line. Okay, take note, A and B are horizontal. If horizontal means their x must be same. The x must be same only. Both also must be x, horizontal. And it is given from here to here is 12 meter. Okay, 12 meter. So our question was, what is the length between A and B? Okay, this is our C. Okay, there is nothing much we can tell about this. Is the information enough or not? Okay, let me see. Okay, they give you 12 meter here. At least they must give you the AC length. If we can find the AC length, then very easy one, because this is a triangle, this is the exactly the middle part. Okay, so this one and this one must be, what do you call, equal in length. Okay, so we can see like this. Okay, so what are the other ideas that we can develop here? This must be a midpoint. This must be a midpoint. Okay, from here to here they tell you it is 12. Okay, so the difference is 12 here, and no other information given. Okay, we must think first before we do this. Let me resume the pause. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is, gradient is given, gradient of AC was 2 over 3, right? Okay, that 2 over 3 is actually how, you know, this one we don't know the x and y here. This one also we see we don't know x and y here. But remember the gradient, you must understand the concept of gradient means, let's say I explain this one first. Okay, so let's say this one is 3 5, okay, and this one is 7 and 10. Okay, so we want to calculate the gradient means 10 minus 5 over 7 minus 3. Okay, so this is actually the formula, but we must know what this formula actually means. Okay, so for example, let's say this is the graph. Okay, this is 3, this is 5, this is 10, this is 7. Okay, so gradient actually means, okay, 10 minus 5, the first one. This one 10, this one 5. So this is 10 minus 5, the distance. Okay, can you see? This one is 10, this one is 5. 10 minus 5 போட்டுக்கிறோம். அப்புறம் let's say this one is the 3 and 7. 7 minus 3 போட்டுக்கிறோம். Okay, and then the answer we'll getting 5 over 4. So அதே தான் இங்க. The same thing here. Okay, so the y2 minus y1, this is your y. y2 minus y1. This 12 meter is actually y2 minus y1. Okay, which you get the ratio 2. Okay, can you understand this part, the gradient part I explained here?
Yes, we can.
You can understand, right? Okay, we're going to explain, apply the same thing here. Okay, இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன்னா, okay, let me erase this one, erase this part. Okay, so this part is y2 minus y1. Okay, this is the x2 minus x1, which is equal to 3. Why I tell 3? Because நம்மளோட gradient பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த AC ஓட 2 over 3. This 2 is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So from 2, if I put 2, it equivalent to 12 meter. That means you are multiplying by 6. Here also same, you multiply by 6, you got 18. So we know already this one is 18 meter. So AB is just twice of it, what? So 18 meter multiply by 2. You will getting 36 meter. Is it make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So this one I just give you the overview only. So now I'm going to show you the proper way. Okay. So
Okay.
okay, I re-explain little bit things again. Just this is just a rough sketch lah. This is first time I I seeing this type of things all can be tested. Okay. Normally it was direct question. Okay. So so one more time. So let's say a gradient is actually y, the formula, the gradient y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You must remember this is your y2 minus y1. This part is the x2 minus x1. Okay, and that's how you get your gradient. So same thing, I'm gonna redraw this reban ayam punya bumbung. Okay, so this is A, this is C, and this is the reban ayam lah. Okay, this is a B point. Okay, it is given this is 12 meter. So this is the middle point, you know, this one is 12 meter. So remember this length and this length must be equal in size. Okay, so now it was given y equal to 2 over 3x plus 12. Okay. So we from here we know the gradient is 2 over 3, right? So we know the gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is equal to 2 over 3. So remember just now I show you this part is y2 minus y1. This part x2 minus x1, which is equal to this one is the simplified ratio, 2 over 3. So this one is 2, this one is 3. So kalau dia letak 2, dia jadi 12 meter. So I just put the ratio lah, 2 to 3. So you can label this point as a M lah. So இப்போ நான் வந்து இது அழகா ரேஷியோவில் சால்வ் பண்ணிடுறேன், இன்னும் பெட்டராக இருக்கும். So so we know that cm to am. Okay, cm is 2, the ratio. Am is 3. But the actual length was cm is 12 meter. What will be the am? Okay, this is how you build up the ratio. So and then solve it in a ratio or equivalent fraction also can. So equivalent fraction means times 6. This one also times 6. So your x is equal to 18 meter. So AB is actually 2 times AM. This is your AM lah. 18 meter. So AB வந்து actually 2 times AM because இங்கேனா length equal to this length. So 2 times 18, you will getting 36 meter as your answer. Okay, this is much better working. The second time, do I make myself very clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Sir.
Ah,
Sir, this one only like if the triangle is 90 degrees or any type of triangle or coordinates also can use that.
this one, any type cannot. This one must be right angle triangle.
Oh, okay, sir.
Ah, okay, copy first, then once done, you tell me done, then we can continue the next question.
Done, sir.
Done, Okay, very good. Okay, come. How was the paper? I think mother tell me you are taking IB, is it? No,
No, sir. I was like preparing for JEE.
IGCSE, yeah.
No, sir. This one India one, sir, for IIT, the one JEE.
Okay, 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 okay.
Yes.
The one also same like physics, chemistry, or different subjects?
No, sir. Physics and chemistry, sir.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. You learn ready, the one all.
No, sir. They are like teaching for 4 years, so now only like basic stuff they are teaching, sir.
Oh, okay lah, okay lah. Good start. Okay, right. Any doubt you also can ask me also lah.
Okay, sir.
Alright. So now we see question 3. Diagram 3 show two straight line, RS and ST. This question we can see intersecting. Okay. So maybe simultaneous, maybe not. Maybe easier. Maybe there will be easier way to solve it. We don't know. We need to gather the informations. Okay. On a Cartesian plane with origin O. Okay. It is given that the distance of RS is 13 units. Okay. RS is 13 units. Okay. And RO to OT. Okay. RO to OT is 1 to 2. RO, I think this is the O lah. RO to OT is 2. 1 to 2. Find the x-intercept of line ST. Bukan coordinate S lah. Okay, that means this question I can do it in my eyes itself really. Okay, anyway. நம்ம பார்க்கலாம் இது எப்படி செய்யலான்ட்டு. Okay. So the first one, you can see this one, a triangle. I don't know, right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. Okay, you see here. Okay, this is R, this is O, this is S. Okay, O to S, they tell the S is negative 12, right? So 0 to negative 12 is 12 units. Okay, this one straight, so 12 units. And RS is given 13 units. Okay, if you affal the triplets of Pythagoras theorem, we know that 5, 12, 13 lah. So RO, use your Pythagoras theorem. This is your hypotenuse. Okay, 13 square minus 12 square, and don't forget to square root them. Okay, so you will getting the answer 5 unit. So that means this one 12 unit, this one 13 unit, this one 5 unit. But it going towards left, so the coordinate for R is negative 5, 0. You know, 0, 5 unit to the left means negative 5. Okay, and the question was find the x-intercept of straight line ST. They asking the x value here, x-intercept here. Adan kelvi, that was the question. All right, so RO to OT, yeah, it also given that 1 to 2, the ratio. Okay, as usual, we play with the ratio. Ratio is the best method to solve everything. Okay, RO, we already find it is 5 units. Okay, never mind. We write the actual ratio first. 1 to 2. It was given 1 to 2. RO, what we found out, this is 5. And this must be, I put different letter lah. Q lah, let's see. So, by solving ratio, 1 over 2 must be equal to 5 over Q. So, multiply 5. So, multiply by 5. Q equal to 10. 10 units, which is equal to OT. So, OT is 10 units to the right hand side. So, the coordinate must be 10, 0. X-intercept is 10 lah. We know already the coordinate what? X-intercept means the line that cut x-axis. The line that cut x-axis is the x equal to 10. So, 10 centimeter pula. X-intercept is 10. Just write like that. Enough. Okay? Simple this question. It looked like straight line question, but you see they combine with ratio, Pythagoras theorem. Okay? That's how the maths will look like in Form 4.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, good. Next question. Okay. I want you to try first the next question. I go washroom for a while. I just reach home. I go washroom for a while. Done?
Sir, A done, sir. B halfway.
Halfway. Okay, okay. முடிச்சிருங்க பரவாயில்ல.
Okay.
Then you can check the answer. Let's check the answer. Okay, we have 4 places here. Matthew's School, Matthew's House, Sunny Supermarket, and State Library, Sabah. In diagram 1, O is the origin. Okay. A is a parallelogram. Is drawn on a Cartesian plane, which represent the location of all the 4 places. It is given that 1 unit is 2 kilometer. Okay. Now calculate the distance in kilometer between the Matthew House and State Library, Sabah. Matthew's house is here. State Library of Sabah is here. Okay, this one just minus only lah. But we need to find out what is the coordinate of Mr. Matthew's house. Okay, coordinate of Matthew's house. Okay, so we know that this is a x-intercept. We don't know the x, but the y for sure 0. So we just substitute into this equation. In the line of the equation must be satisfied. So 3y equal to 2x plus 18. Okay, substitute y equal to 0. So 2x plus 18. So 0 equal to 2x plus 18. 2x equal to negative 18. X equal to negative 9. So the coordinate here is negative 9. Okay. If they are horizontal or vertical, smart tips must know only the incline line. When you want to find the distance, use the formula x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. This is actually Pythagoras theorem punya apa kita cakap formula. If you well understand this formula, this is actually Pythagoras theorem. Pythagorasல வந்து நம்ம வந்து hypotenuse எப்படி செய்வோம்? A square plus b square and then square root. The same formula here. Okay? Only for inclined line. Kalau horizontal or vertical, just directly minus. That's it. Just directly minus. So take you can start with negative 9 or 4. Tak kisahlah. Okay, let's say I start with positive number lah. Big number minus the small number better. So 4 minus, okay, distance. Now the distance for part A, this one, distance equal to, okay, 4 minus negative 9. So you're getting 13 units. But they want in kilometer. 1 unit, 2 kilometer. So 13 unit, 13 times 2, you're getting 26. This is not equal. You cannot put equal. Okay. So 13 times 2, 26 kilometer. You get the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, question B. Question B, dia tanya apa? Find the equation of straight line that link the State Library Sabah, okay, here, and Sunny Supermarket. Okay, basically, this one, how much is the, what do you call, how much is the, sorry, what is the equation of straight line? Okay, they already have 1 point on the line, 4, 0. Okay, and the extra information that you need to take note, this is a parallelogram. Okay, kalau parallelogram, opposite sides must be parallel. So opposite side must be parallel. Okay, so don't immediately put 2 is the gradient here. We must arrange this into y equal to mx plus c. 3y equal to 2x plus 18. So, okay, I put the part of the working here lah. Okay. Gradient of okay, this one very long, the name, Matthew's house, Matthew's school. Okay, so I just put here lah. What's the best method? Okay, gradient between house and school equal to
Sir, but then it will not be like the same one, sir. The gradient.
gradient should be same. அதான் எழுதுறேன்.
So we need to do any calculation in this or
Yes, must. ஏன்னா வந்து இது gradient 2 கிடையாது. ஏன்னா இங்க 3 போட்டிருக்காங்க equation மெனுக்கு.
Okay.
You need to arrange that. That's what I'm going to show here. So நீ அப்படியே போட்டுட்டியா? 2 போட்டுட்டியா?
Yes, I just showed that.
Cannot. Okay. So library and supermarket. So we need to find the gradient. Okay. So okay, I think better you show somewhere outside here lah. Okay. So 3y equal to 2x plus 18. So நிறைய பேர் என்னன்னா equation இருக்கு. Okay, 2 is the gradient. இங்க 2. முடியாது. Must be arranged in the y equal to mx plus c format first. Okay, y equal to 2x plus 18. These 3 go there, divide, divide here also. So y equal to 2 over 3x plus 6 varum. So 2 over 3 is the gradient. 2 over 3 is the gradient. So now equation, equation there. Okay, y equal to 2 over 3x plus c. Y equal to mx plus c lah. Okay, now we need to settle this c. So you need to find a point that the line you are seeking. Okay, the line we are seeking is from library to supermarket. The point given was 40. We have the point 40. So substitute 40. Okay, so if you substitute y0, 2 over 3, this one is 4 plus c. So 0 equal to 8 over 3 plus c. So the c should be negative 8 over 3. Therefore, the equation of straight line from library to supermarket is, okay, y equal to 2 over 3x and at your newly found c, negative 8 over 3. You can let the answer like this, or you want to multiply by 3. 3y equal to 2x minus 8 also can. You multiply the whole equation to become 3 also can. This one also can. My suggestion, y equal to mx plus c method is the best form you leave for the equation of straight line. Okay? So correct your mistakes.
Okay.
முடிச்சிட்டேனா சொல்லு. Okay. Why late, Vaishnavi?
Sir, sorry sir. My school got seminar program. அது ஒரு program வச்சிருக்காங்க. Like form 4 இது அலைரான் choose பண்றதுக்கு. So
Oh,
6 o'clock தான் நான் வீட்டுக்கே வந்தேன் sir. Then I come but I already totally forget about tuition. அப்பதான் நான் குளிச்சிட்டு வந்து பார்க்கறேன் நீங்க மெசேஜ் அனுப்பிருக்கீங்க. Then
right.
sir, that's why sir.
Okay, okay. So the previous one you watch video,
Okay sir, okay.
Okay. Visalachi done?
I'm done, sir.
Okay, good. Come. Oh, got space here lah. Alright, never mind. Question 3 பாருங்க. Question 3. Okay, we read the question first. In diagram 2, O is the origin. Oh, they put like 0 only. Straight line AB is parallel to straight line CD. Kalau dia bagi tahu macam ni, tulis dia punya simbol. Line AB is parallel to line CD. மேத்தமேட்டிக்கில் வந்து இது எப்படி எழுதுவாங்கன்னா இப்படி எழுதுவாங்க. நீங்கள் சம்டைம்ஸ் சில புக்கில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த மாதிரி சிம்பிள் போட்டிருந்தாங்கன்னா இதுக்கு பேர் வந்து பேரலல்னு அர்த்தம். ஹையர் லெவல் ஓ அட்மேட்ஸ்லாம் நம்ம இப்படி பார்ப்போம். ஓகே, ஸோ ஏபி இஸ் பேரலல் டு sorry, ஏபினா அவங்க ஏபி தான் சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ யூ கேன் புட் லைக் திஸ் ஆல்சோ கேன். want to put point upward also can, doesn't matter. CD, okay, kalau dia cakap parallel, same gradient, remember that. And BC is parallel to x-axis. Maksudnya BC in the line வந்து parallel to x-axis na இது வந்து horizontal line னு அர்த்தம். Kalau dia cakap parallel to x-axis, maksudnya horizontal line. The first information that you can extract out. Second thing, the gradient is 0. இப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா gradient 0 நம்மளுக்கு தெரியணும் படுத்து இருந்துச்சுன்னா line. Okay, the equation of straight line AB is already given. AB ஓட straight line equation வந்து okay, you see here 2y minus 6x minus 8 equal to 0. Now the question was find the equation of straight line BC berapa. BC எவ்வளோன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. So இந்த மாதிரி okay, kalau line kamu macam ni sengit, tak kisahlah incline. When your line is inclined, when you want to find the equation of straight line, we use y equal to mx plus c. When your line is vertical or when your line is horizontal, this one we no need to use y equal to mx plus c. Okay, இது பாருங்க, இது கிராஃப்ல இருக்கும் இந்த மாதிரி, ரைட்? ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா இது பாருங்க எந்த ஆக்சிஸை வெட்டும், எக்ஸ் ஆக்சிஸை வெட்டும். ஸோ எக்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு சம்திங், எக்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஏ. ஓகேயா? ஸோ இருங்க, நான் இந்த கிராஃப் ஒழுங்காக வர்ணிக்கிறேன். உங்களுக்கு எப்படி வந்து அந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் ஆஃப் ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் லைன் செய்யணும்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன் இப்போ. ஓகே, லெட்ஸ் சே இது வந்து ஸோ இந்த ஏ பாயிண்ட் இங்கே இருக்கணும். Let's say இந்த ஏக்கு பதிலாக 3 இருந்துச்சுன்னா x equal to 3. Okay, I put something என்னது friendly figures lah. Okay, I put some friendly figures here. Okay, for example இதில் வந்து 3 இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கிங்களேன். ஸோ x equal to 3. Okay, ஸோ அதே மாதிரி this one I touched your basic lah. Okay, kalau macam ni kamu tengok line ni dia cut your y axis lah if you extend. So let's say இது வந்து இங்க வந்து 5 னு வெச்சுக்கீங்களேன். So equation of straight line y equal to 5 அப்படிதான் எழுதணும். Tak payah y equal to mx plus c all. Okay, kalau horizontal y equal to something, if vertical x equal to something. So same here BC. So நம்மளுக்கு முதல்ல இது வந்து BC வந்து y axis வெட்டுது. Okay, we need to find the coordinate here. So what you can do is try to arrange this equation because B வந்து actually y intercept of AB. Okay, AB line ஓட y intercept தான் B. Okay, so இது பாருங்க 2y equal to, I bring the negative 6x and negative 8 to the opposite side. Okay, I show you working here. So 2y equal to negative 6 go to the opposite side, positive 6x. Negative 8 tukar jadi positive 8. Okay, so உடனே 8 தான் y intercept சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஏன்னா உங்களோட equation பார்த்தீங்கன்னா y equal to mx plus c. Your y must be single, but here got 2. So 2 go to the opposite side. So you divide them. So நான் என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கேன், மொத்தமா 2 போடாதீங்க, அழகா பிரிச்சு பிரிச்சு போட சொல்லியிருக்கேன். Okay, so y equal to 6 divide 2 3x, 8 divide 2 4. Okay, so we can see here this is your gradient, this is your y intercept. This is your y intercept lah, cut y axis. So the equation, the coordinate here is 0 4, right? Okay, so the equation of straight line here is y equal to 4. முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. நம்ம சொன்னல இங்க என்ன இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கணும். Okay, so equation of BC y equal to 4. Finish, that's it. Okay, this part can understand both of you?
Yeah, sir, can.
Visalachi?
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. ஏதா கேள்வி இருந்தா உடனே கேளுங்க. Okay, so இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு இது y equal to 4 னு தெரிஞ்சிருச்சு. Next question, equation of straight line CD. CD ஓட straight line கேக்குறாங்க. Okay, CD பாத்தீங்கன்னா அவங்க parallel நம்ம அத சொன்னோம். அப்படினா என்ன அர்த்தம்னா CDயும் ABயும் parallelனா gradient of AB equal to gradient of CD. ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் same gradient தான். So நம்ம AB மத வந்து equation arrange பண்ணிட்டோம். ஸோ அதில் gradient பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 3 இந்த சைடில் இருக்கு பாருங்க, gradient equal to 3. Okay, right? So which is equal to 3. Okay, sekarang kamu create lah. நேரா என்ன பண்ணுங்க, y equal to mx plus c lah. M தான் 3 தெரிஞ்சிருச்சு, அப்போ 3x plus c. Now to make completion of this straight line punya equation, okay, you need a point, a pair of point to substitute. So CD பாருங்க, CD ல என்ன point இருக்கு? ada point dia, -1, -4. So you substitute -1, -4 into it. So என்ன ஆகும்னா, y வந்து -4, jangan silap substitute. 3 -1 plus c. So -4 equal to -3 plus c. Okay, so c equal to -1. Okay, if you solve eventually. So y equal to, okay, என்ன போட்டிருக்கோம், 3x போட்டிருக்கோம். c ஓட வேல்யூ வந்து -1. y equal to mx plus c, m is 3, c is -1. Okay, so this is the answer for part B. And part C, let me show first, later you can understand and copy. The x-intercept of straight line CD. Okay, நீங்க இப்ப CD ஓட equation கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டீங்க. CD ஓட equation of CD is what? Y equal to 3x minus 1 நீங்க கண்டுபிடிச்சீங்க. இப்போ வந்து question வந்து என்ன கேட்குறாங்க, CD ஓட கேள்வி தான், ஆனால் x intercept வேணும். y interceptனா -1 நம்ம பார்த்தாலே தெரியுது, equationல பார்த்தாலே தெரிஞ்சிடும். x intercept கேட்குறாங்க. So x intercept means y equal to 0. Right? So அப்போ 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 1 over 3. முடிஞ்சிருச்சு, அவ்வளோதான். So x intercept na x oda value மட்டும் எவ்வளவுன்னு சொன்னா போதும். Tak payah bagi dalam koordinat. Kalau kamu bagi dalam koordinat itu salah lah, kamu tak jawab soalan dia. Okay? So x equal to 1 over 3. Okay? So this question look like many difficult, but okay, quite direct ah தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Okay? So yeah, this one is nota lah. Imbas kembali. Any part of the working you don't understand, you can tell me. Today our class will finish as usual lah, because we don't have the 10-minute break one. Since Samira is not here, 8:15 we will end the class. Done. Vaishnavi? Oh, she is not here. Okay. Come, go to next question.
Done, sir. Done. Fill up
Okay,
ready.
okay. Okay, now again, Joseph, Jenny, Azri. Okay. இது கொஞ்சம் like வந்து பாருங்க kilometer per jamலாம் வந்துருச்சு. So we need to understand the question properly first. Okay. Uh, is it final question? Okay, yeah. Okay. Another diagram 3 show the position of Joseph house, Jenny house, and Azri house on a Cartesian plane. Given that the scale is 1 unit equal to 3 kilometer, all right. Calculate the distance between Azri house and the origin. Origin is very simple, 0, 0, 1. So, பார்த்தாலே தெரியும் answer 5 வரும்னு. But in anyway, இது எப்படி செய்யலாம்னு பார்க்கலாம். So, you can use the distance formula. So, -4 minus 0 square plus -3 minus 0 square. x2 minus x1 square, y2 minus y1 square. And then don't forget to square root it. So இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 4 square 16 வரும், 3 square 9 வரும். So square root 25 is equal to 5 unit. பட் ஆனால் அவங்க கொஸ்டின் வந்து நீங்கள் வந்து என்ன கிளியராக படிக்கணும். அவங்க என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க, டிஸ்டன்ஸ் இன் கிலோமீட்டர் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ 1 யூனிட் 3 கிலோமீட்டர். ஸோ 5 யூனிட் டோன்ட் புட் ஈக்குவல். ஏன்னா இந்த இது வந்து ப்ரீவியஸ் கொஸ்டினுக்கு ஈக்குவல் கிடையாது. சம்திங் நியூ ரைட். ஸோ டோன்ட் புட் ஈக்குவல். நிறைய பேர் பார்க்குறேன் சும்மா இஷ்டத்துக்கு ஈக்குவல் போடுறது. சில மேத்ஸ் செக்கும் கண்டிச்சிருப்பாங்க உங்களையே, சும்மா எல்லாத்துக்குமே ஈக்குவல் போடக்கூடாதுன்ட்டு. அதுக்காக தான் காரணம். ஸோ இப்போ அதை வந்து நீங்கள் தெரியும் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் இன் யூனிட். ஓகே, நவ் யூ கேன் கிவ் அ ஸ்மால் டைட்டில் இஃப் யூ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு பி லைக் வெரி ஆக்வர்ட். ஓகே, த ஒர்க்கிங். ஸோ டிஸ்டன்ஸ் இன் கிலோமீட்டர் அப்படின்னு மாதிரி டைட்டில் கொடுத்துட்டு ஒரு திண்டே போட்டுருங்க. ஸோ 5 times 3 15 kilometer lah, because 1 unit is 3 kilometer. This question quite direct, boring. Okay, question B. இது என்னமோ டிட்டர்மின் பண்ண சொல்றாங்க பாருங்க. Determine the equation of straight line connecting Joseph house and Jenny house. Joseph ஹவுஸ்க்கும் ஜெனி ஹவுஸையும் கனெக்ட் பண்ணுற ஈக்குவேஷன் ஆஃப் ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் லைனை கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ பேசிக்லி இந்த சைடில் இருக்க ஈக்குவேஷன் ஆஃப் ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் லைன் எவ்வளோ. ஸோ ஈக்குவேஷன் வந்து நம்ம எப்போவுமே தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். ஈக்குவேஷன்னாலே த ப்ரைமர்லி வி நீட் டு ரிமெம்பர் இஸ் y equal to mx plus c. இதுதான் ஈக்குவேஷன் ஆஃப் ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் லைன் எவ்ரி டைம். ஈவன் இந்த admat also we prioritize this equation. ஸோ இப்போ வந்து அவங்க என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யூ நீட் டு ஃபைண்ட் த gradient ஃபர்ஸ்ட். எப்பவுமே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் டு do your equation, find the gradient. Okay, gradient between the 2 points, any 2 points on in the straight line. So gradient is equal to, okay, I take 8 minus 5. Remember, you start with your y-axis, not x-axis. 5 minus minus 10. So don't forget the bracket thing all. 8 minus 5 is 3. 5 plus 15. 5 plus 10 is 15. So if you simplify this, you get 1 over 5. Okay, gradient sudah dapat. Sekarang apply dalam equation y equal to 1 over 5x plus c. Y equal to mx plus c lah. Okay, now நீங்கள் எந்த லைன் கண்டுபிடிக்க போறீங்களோ அதில் ஏதாவது ஒரு கோஆர்டினேட். kita ada dua coordinate, betul dah? -10 5 இருக்கு, 5 8 இருக்கு. Okay, I want to use 5 8. Okay, so substitute any pair நீங்க எடுக்கலாம். இந்த pair of coordinate எடுக்கலாம், இந்த pair of coordinate. Janji dia ada dalam on the straight line lah. Substitute 5 8 lah, because I don't want to deal with negative numbers. So 8 you put at the y-axis. Jangan salah substitute. Okay, so 5 and 5 you can cut. So 8 equal to 5 5 cut, மிச்சம் ஒன்று தான் இருக்கும், 1 plus c. So 1 plus what, you get 8. So c equal to 7 lah. Therefore the equation of straight line is y equal to 1 over 5x plus 7. Okay, this is part B. Okay, so first இது வரைக்கும் செஞ்சிருங்க. C look like very long. Okay, because I don't have enough space also. So do until this one first. Don't just copy. You must understand my working. Then only you copy. Okay. 6 row இது மாதிரி copy பண்ணி முடிங்க. We can go for the C. So, after straight line topic, we will continue with the financial management, consumer maths topic. Okay. Because this topic all form 4, form 5 வரைக்கும் இருக்கும். So நீங்கள் அந்த topic, அந்த formulas, consumer maths was very long, right? So you must know the formulas in it.
Sir.
So 42.6380, right? So I just take 42.638 lah, guys. Okay, kilometer. Okay, we know already how much is the kilometer. Or you don't want to simplify first also can. You want to maintain like this also can. 202 multiply 3 அப்படியே maintain பண்றேன். Because I always advise don't simplify unless it's a final answer. Okay, if can lah. So distance in kilometer kita dah dapat. Okay, now formula for speed. Speed is equal to distance over time. So kita naikkan time sebelah sini. Kita exchange distance masih ada ke atas over speed. Okay. So distance dia adalah 3 multiply 202. You can write like this, even better. Don't simplify anything. Or you want to simplify the answer, okay, can also. Bahagi dengan speed. Speed dia adalah 80 km per hour kan? So 80 km per hour. Okay, now you calculate the time. You'll get the answer in hour automatically. Because this average speed is 80 km per hour. So 3 multiply 202 divided by 80. So you will getting 0.53 hour. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, that is the answer. Step by step அழகா பாருங்க. ஒரு டைட்டில் கொடுத்து சிஸ்டமேட்டிக்கா வச்சுக்கணும் நம்மளோட மேத்தமேட்டிக் working like this. Maybe why?
Sir, he's not in here.
Okay. All right. So let's move on to the next part. Okay, let me upload it first. Okay, mana kita punya file maths form 3. Prep for form 4 part 2. Okay, the locus we will do next week lah. So locus is still carry forward at least until your form 4. Okay. More interested in financial management chapters or consumer maths? Okay, so let us learn about that one first. Make a revision on it. Okay, so a few a few things to note. Okay, which you can consider as a short note as well lah. Okay, I don't think so they give you short notes here. Yeah, straight start with the questions ready. Okay, so remember, first thing we want to learn about the interest. We got simple interest and we also got compound interest. Got two type of interest. Okay, kalau simple interest, the formula is just okay, we don't want to give the formula for the interest just like that. Okay, what is interest basically? Interest is basically is how you can calculate was your principal amount, principal plus interest. Okay, here is the interest, you will getting the total savings. Basically this is the formula. So kalau dia tanya interest saja, you just modify the formula, calculate your total savings. Total savings, sometimes we can call it as a matured value, it's the same thing, or maturity value. Matured value, maturity value. I think I pronounced wrongly. Maturity value. Okay, total savings minus the principal. Okay, so for simple interest, the formula is PRT. Okay, remember your R must be in is the percentage of interest expressed in decimal. Okay, a few things to note, and the T is for the time and P for the principal. Okay, all right, simple interest like that. Okay, so for the compound interest, the maturity value, okay, we calculate the maturity value. Maturity value is P, okay, bracket 1 plus R N, sorry, R over N, and this N naik balik ke sini T. Okay, here the N is compounded interest. How many times compounded? How many times an interest is compounded? I know there is a shorter name for it, but sometimes the shorter name won't make you understand. Okay, try listen this. How many times an interest is compounded in a year? Kalau macam ni அப்படின்னா ஒரு வருஷத்துல எத்தனை வாட்டி அந்த இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் சார்ஜ் பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகே, அது எப்படி நம்ம சொல்றதுன்னா, ஓகே see here, okay I show you in a different way. N வந்து என்னென்ன இதெல்லாம் இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே, kalau dia cakap interest is charged, okay wait, okay, for example if interest is compounded every half year, let's say they tell you like this, and then every quarter year, and then every 2 months, like this. Okay, or okay, this is your level lah. I can go more than 1 year, but it is not in our syllabus, so we don't care about that. Okay, so இப்போ என்ன இப்படி n எப்படி டிட்டர்மின் பண்ணணும்னா, okay first you must understand this statement first. Okay, இவங்க என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா interest வந்து every half year. Every half year means what? Every 6 months. So in 1 year, how many 6 months? Got 2 6 months, right? First 6 months and the second 6 months. So your n equal to 2. Every quarter year, quarter means 1 over 4 times 12. So how many months? 3 months. Every 3 months. 3 மாசத்துக்கு ஒரு தடவை every 3 months 3 மாசத்துக்கு ஒரு தடவை இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருப்பாங்க, சார்ஜ் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. அப்போ first 3, next 3, and the third 3, and finally fourth 3. Okay, January, February, March, April, May, June, June, July, August, September, July, August, September, October, November, December. Kita ada 4 kali. 3 bulan sekali kita ada 4 kali. So N equal to 4. Every 2 months. Every 2 months means 12 divide 2 lah. That means N equal to 6. Every 2 months ஒரு தடவை உங்களுக்கு சார்ஜ் பண்ணுவாங்க. அப்போ ஜனவரி ஃபெப்ரவரி ஓகே ஒரு சார்ஜ், தென் மார்ச் ஏப்ரலில் ஒரு சார்ஜ், அந்த மாதிரி எவ்ரி 2 months. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி எத்தனை ஒரு வருஷத்தில் 6 வாட்டி சார்ஜ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ தட் இஸ் வாட் வி கால் இட் as a N. You must understand the term N very well. Okay? And okay, I think for the first part, the simple interest and compound interest I already covered. Everything here is already covered. Okay, I didn't touch the credit card, the loan repayment, and the shares all later on. கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா நம்ம வந்து cover பண்ணுவோம். First you must revise on your interest. So this is about the interest. Okay, another question. If let's say for the simple interest we can use the formula PRT. For the compound interest, how to find the interest only? Already tell you, this is the formula. Take your maturity value minus the principal. You will get the interest. This one used for compound interest. They never tell you this formula directly in your textbook or in your workbook, but you must understand. Right? Total saving minus your initial value, you get your interest. Okay? So, now, let us start a few questions. Start doing a few questions. Okay. Okay, maybe we try 2 questions only, like 8 minutes start. Okay. All right. First question. Albert borrow 20,000 from Bank A with simple interest 3.15 per annum for 5 years. Okay. Kalau untuk 5 tahun, kalau Albert ni dia pergi buat simple interest, if he applied a simple, he invest the money with a simple interest, means Albert must be insane or crazy person or someone fooled him. Because for 5 years, if you know about the financial very well, we won't do simple interest. But okay lah, this one just tell you in the question only. But in a real life, for more than 1 year or 2 year, for 1 year only we will do simple interest. If more than 1 year, it is advisable to you invest in a bank that can offer you compound interest, because compound interest more the interest you can gain compared to your simple interest. Okay, anyway, meanwhile, Rohana borrowed the same amount from Bank Q with the simple interest 4% per annum for 5 years. Okay. Simple interest also lah. Okay. State the difference of interest amount paid between Albert and Rohana. Okay, sekarang kita kena calculate interest by one person, another person, then find the difference between them. So, first one is interest paid by who? Albert. For Albert, okay, the formula is PRT. P big letter, PRT. So, the principal is 20,000. Okay. And then the what we call interest is 3.15. Okay, jangan kamu pandai-pandai letak 0.315. Kamu kaji betul-betul 1 2. Okay, 0.0315. Gerak 2 tempat ke depan. So 0.0315. This is your R, and the time was 5 years. Okay, so this fella will gain, the interest gain is, dia tanya interest saja, Kalau dia tanya total saving, I forget to mention one more formula. Kalau dia tanya total saving for simple interest, okay, one more formula. Kalau dia minta total saving, P plus PRT. This is the interest, this is the principal. Same lah. Okay. The principal plus interest, you get the total saving. Dah bagi tahu. But for the simple interest, P plus PRT lah. Okay. So, but here they are not asking the total saving. They're just asking the interest paid. Okay. So, interest na interest oda formula மட்டும் போதுமானது. PRT. Okay. So, 20,000 times 5 times 0.0315. 3150. So, interest paid by Rohana. Okay, PRT as well. So, principal, the same principal, but with a different 0.04, different interest rate 5. This one is 4,000. So, difference simple saja. Take your 4,000 minus 3150. Okay, 4,000 minus 3150. So, you will get the answer 850. Okay, that will be the answer lah. Okay, quickly copy this. We will continue this on next week lah. But before you go, I have a few things to tell. Few things to not tell, to ask. Copy first. Done.
Done, sir.
Done, Okay. So this week I will give you one small question here, but try to do by yourself lah. This is index question, which was asked by Samira last week. Okay, this question was quite challenging. At the same time, once I found out the working, it was okay. It's not challenging. It's like between challenging and not challenging. If you know the thing, it is not challenging at all. But the thing is, can you think to that level or not? Okay, or I can just simply say this is like a KBAT question lah. Okay, you may try this question. Please jot down this question. Next week we will have discussion on this question. Okay,
sir.
alright. So next week நம்ம வந்து இன்னும் நிறைய பார்க்கலாம் financial maths பத்தி கொஞ்சம் சில விஷயங்கள், and then we proceed to locus lah. So bring your jangka lukis and all the necessary apparatus lah for your maths locus topic. So I signing off here lah. See you guys on next class. Take care, bye.
Okay, sir.